How to unlink WhatsApp from other devices. Hello everybody. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you guys a quick and easy method to unlink your WhatsApp account from other devices. But before we get started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to our channel. Now let us jump right in. The very first thing you want to do is open up your WhatsApp and make sure that you're logged into your account. So if you suspect that your WhatsApp account is logged into any other devices that you don't want it in, then you can remove it from your main account. For that, tap on the three lines icon at the top right corner, and you'll see different menus like New Group, Broadcast, Link Devices, and many more. You just have to tap on Link Devices, and here it will show you a list of other devices where your WhatsApp is logged in. As you can see, here I have logged in into a browser. So this is my own browser, but if you see any unrecognized device, it's better to remove them because it might be that someone else is using your account. So just tap on the account that you want to remove and then tap on log out, and then it will completely remove your WhatsApp or unlink your WhatsApp from other devices. Now, if you want to link it to your other device, your own device, then you can just tap on link a device and scan the QR code. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.